Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and here this lecture especially like a filter function in Microsoft Excel. Yes, what you are using a spreadsheet software in your office automation or data analysis purpose. This is a great lecture and great tips I'm going to share with you. Let's see here. If you are new to seeing this video lecture, please do subscribe now for more great tips for yourself. Alright, now just see quickly, I'm giving you a basic tips and basic ideas to getting like a simple zone wise salesman items, which is a quantity wise the price he is selling items data we have collected here. Yes, now from this I'm making a total of quantity into price. How I'm getting equal to this particular D4 column into E4 column here. The multiplication, the total will come. For like a flash autofill, if I double click with the small plus icon, double click, you apply the same formula for all the data rows, how many are here. Wow, great. Now let's see. For the lecture, filter function, like a filter report data from this out of the box. It may be few records or lakhs of records. How you can filter as your required data and show and quickly prepare your report very shortcutly. See, using a filter function we can use it. See how to prepare it. Here I am preparing to get the same title headers. How many titles you want, you can based on that you can prepare the data on the selection of the criteria. So all the titles I have taken and all the columns like a data I am going to choose and preparing like a item wise data I want to get here with the salesman and item quantity, these things. So let's see very quickly using equal to filter function. Yes, filter, the second one, filter range of array. So hit tab to complete a partial like a writing of the function and open parenthesis. Yes, and the basic syntax what you need to follow: filter array of data. Array of data is nothing but group of items, so how many to be involved in this particular function. And what is the group of the items? See, from A4 to hold shift key and click on the last one, F15 last cell. So the selected group of data I am going to interacting in this particular filter function. From this group of data only it should be filter and I should get a report in the output. Now take a copy, include what you need to include: the filter, the data to be filtered based on the item I have told you know, the based on the item. So select from here the range of C4 to C15, this range, and equal to if matching something like Samsung. One item I have specified. If item it is a Samsung, only the Samsung items records only I want to get. If no record found with the Samsung, there is a no empty cell. See, no records I want to be get in the output and just terminate with the double quote and close with the end parenthesis. Now hit enter. Like a flash you see a wonder. Wow, with the Samsung filtered report data, which is the function we have used, and here you may see the zone wise different zones and salesman, who is the person of salesman, items only filtered with the Samsung, the quantity, price, what the records are here, you will get and see the output amazingly you will see. If you want to get instead of Samsung maybe like a Moto, so how we will get? See, it's a super easy. Instead of here I am selecting, I am able to see in the formula here. So how it could be easy? Very super easy to select the formula, and here instead of Samsung just change to Moto. That's it, you are getting the Moto. No, I don't want to touch the formula. If I am changing the item, I want to filter the data. How? See here, filter data. Okay, and some here I am taking one cell. So now what I am trying to doing here, I am writing some Moto, some name like item name I am writing. Okay, now here in the function what I am trying to doing, just K1 I am referring the cell. That's it, K1, which is the reference of K1. Yes. Wow. If I am changing here like iPhone, let's check iPhone. If I need Samsung, which is the easiest convenient way you to practice your session. That way you need to apply and making a more master skills in your Excel. Got it? Many of the ways are there. So how simply you can take it and select the area and take a printout on flash seconds you will prepare your reports. Don't take much time for this. Simple tricks. Make sure to write and practice with more your data. And one more thing I would like to suggest to you. Yes, so I have a filtered data using only the item. Instead of like item, if you want to make it salesman, like a salesman or zone or price, what you want, accordingly you need to change the C4, C15 to your like a B or A. You change it the characters of the column values. That's it. See the wonder how you will be. I hope this video lecture is very much useful to you, and please do subscribe now and share and comment your views. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.